QNT at the time of this recording is between a key area of resistance between the 110.2 and the 105.54. And on today's update video, I will be discussing two possible scenarios that can play out the moment we get rejected within this area over here, and if by any chance we manage to break through that key area of resistance. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, from the lows we made on the 7th of April, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the upside, where you can see that we completed that 5-wave structure in a move that gave us a high above the 125.64 mark, and that 5-wave structure to the upside completed the formation of these larger edge wave count 1. And having seen the formation of that first wave, whatever I have been expecting next was a corrective structure in the formation of that second wave, whose minimum target areas can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the Fibonacci's from the lows we made down there in the formation of that first wave to the high of that wave 1, and also doing the area that I have been paying attention to as the minimum pullback target area has been between the Fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 72.87 and the 92.03 mark, which is the blue target area over here. And you can see that we saw a pullback into that target area in a move that gave us a low below the 85.85 mark. So a reaction of the target area starting another bounce over here in what can easily turn out to be the formation of an impulsive edge wave count 3. So the first case scenario is that there's a very high chance that we could have a low in place in the formation of that second wave, and whatever is unfolding over here is the formation of that wave 3, and the minimum target areas for the wave 3 can be given by connecting the Fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the lows we have at the moment in the formation of that wave 2, and also doing the area that I will be paying attention to lies on the Fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 193.37 mark as my next target area, and that is an area that we can easily hit if we continue pushing higher and also manage to break above the high we made in the formation of that first wave above the 125.65 in the next coming days. We also need to have in mind that we could still be in the formation of this second wave, and maybe the low is not yet in, and whatever is playing out over here is an ABC corrective structure, where we can term this as the formation of the wave A, and the bounce that we saw over here was the formation of that wave B, and the minimum target areas for that wave B can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the wave A to the low of that wave A, and also doing the area that I have been paying attention to as a key area of resistance has been between the Fib level 0.5 and the 618, and that is between the 110.14 and the 105.4 mark, which is the yellow target area over here. So in case we get a massive rejection within this area over here, expect one more new low in the formation of this wave C, fully maximizing the blue target area over here before we can continue seeing higher prices in the formation of these wave 3. But if by any chance we manage to break above this key area of resistance, then that will be the first confirmation that the low is in the formation of that second wave, and the bounce that will be playing out is the formation of that wave 3. So that is the key area of resistance that we need to pay attention to, because that is what is differentiating those two possible scenarios. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.